Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make your kajal, kohl or eyeliner completely smudge proof. So the wedding season is here and there's certainly many emotional moments and nobody loves smudged or watery kajal under the eyes. So I got you guys covered with few amazing tips and tricks to make your kajal extremely smudge proof. So the tip number 1 is to prep around your eyes, especially if you sweat a lot or you have extremely oily skin. So you just need to set around the eyes with some loose powder, and here I'm using the Maybelline loose powder. So the loose powder is going to absorb all the oil and gives you a smooth dry base for a precise kajal or eyeliner application. So now for the tip number 2, use waterproof and smudge proof products. So the kajal which I absolutely love is Plum Kajal. This one is extremely smudge proof and waterproof. And now starting with the outer corner, I am going to start slowly moving towards the inner corner. So it's usually inner corner that are moist and create problems. So I'm starting with the outer corner first. And if you have sensitive or watery eyes, then you can either completely avoid the inner corner or you can also apply the kajal very gently in the inner corner. And if there are still tears in your eye, then just use a Q-tip and put it in the tear duct area and close your eyes for a few seconds. It will instantly soak up all your tears and will save your eye makeup. So here I have applied a nice thick and bold kajal. And now let's move on to the third tip, which is to set your kajal so that it doesn't move and you have to set it with a black eyeshadow. I'm taking this black eyeshadow from the Maybelline Nudes palette on a flat shader brush and I'm setting my waterline with it. Just gently press it on the waterline as well as on the lower lash line to completely set it and forget it. This tip will not only make your kajal smudge proof, but it will also make your kajal matte, which looks very pretty. So now if you want your kajal to be extremely intact and it should not move even a bit, then use a waterproof eyeliner just right on the edge of the waterline and on the lower lash line, just where your kajal ends. It will just completely seal the deal and your kajal will not even move a bit. And will make your kajal smudge proof, waterproof and of matte finish. And if you plan to use any other product around your eyes, then try to use products which are waterproof. Like the mascara that I'm using is the Volume Million Lashes Mascara by L'Oreal. It is waterproof and smudge proof. And that's pretty much it, you guys. These tips will make your kajal completely waterproof and smudge proof. I hope these tips will be really helpful to you, and if you try them, then don't forget to tag me on the social media, and I have listed all my social media accounts into the description box along with all the product details which I used today. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Bye guys!